Hi, I'm Lovelyn. So today I'm making bath bomb, baking soda.
Okay, don't put it there. Baking.
Cornstarch.
Careful.
Looks like powder a little bit.
Citric
Citric
acid.
acid. I can just call it acid. What is it? Borax. Can I pour it?
Wait.
And now I'm gonna dump it in here. And you mix. Oh. I'm gonna use with my other hand. We will mix our wet ingredients. Help me.
Hey, come on.
Help me. Carefully. It looks like egg. Now we keep mixing. Smells good. Whoa. Now what? Now we have to mix the other wet ingredients. Yeah?
Put them in.
Yeah, it smells good. Still need pink! The princess though. Keep mixing and mixing. Do you have to put it in the mold?
Once we are done.
Mine's too.
Mm-hmm.
Feels like sand.
Mm-hmm.
Are you gonna get the mold? Now we're gonna put these into a mold. Now we're gonna put this in a mold.
There you go.
I'm gonna do the round. Mommy will help me form the shape. But not princess because she's still a puppy. Not a big one. So it will look like this. Do the hot one.
We'll do the hard one.
This is the circle. And when you make this, importantly, ask your mom to help you. Now I let my bath bombs dry overnight. And then now we're gonna wrap it. Now my mama helped me wrap the bath bombs in this shrink wrap. Like, can I grab a circle?
Yeah.
Now we're gonna blow dry my bath bombs one by one. Get your mommy or ask a dog for you to help. And cover your ears when the loud comes. Now it's all done. Watch to my next video. Now it's all wrapped and done. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit thumbs up button. Hit thumbs up button. Bye. See you in my next.
Bye. See you again in my next video.
Bye. See you again in my next video. Bye.